that's what I might do. Just bring it back a little bit. Just because it looks zoomed in. Actually, what I get you guys to do is maybe just sit back just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think it's cool. I can do it to the side a little bit for you. Is that way you guys are in? Cool. So, like I said, just look at me, talk to me. Don't right camera. Right?
Yes.
And so what we'll do, right, is I'll go through the questions one by one, and then just answer it however you answer it. And if you stuff up, don't worry, because we're going to ask them again.
Okay.
All right, and just it's all good. So the first question: tell us a little bit about yourself. Before making Infinite Wealth, what did your financial future look like?
It was a bit bleak because we were not sure if we would be financially secure by the time we reach retirement, because we are immigrants, and so we're so many years behind everyone else that sort of started off their working career in Australia. So we knew that our superannuation was not going to be enough to sustain us for when we one day retire. So it was a bit bleak.
Yeah, I think true. It was a little bit bleak, and I also think, like Annie said, it's the retirement side. Looking at most probably going to work till we're 70, 75 to actually have a proper retirement, and we won't be able to live the dreams that we would like to.
And so, what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
I didn't meet him, but Herman did, so I'll leave that one to him.
I think the big thing on just sitting there with meeting and having the first look at the future, being that that I've gone to a lot of different things already to see to better our retirement, and just looking, and it was something easy to do. It wasn't overwhelming in the sense of anybody can do it if they want to, if they just have that ability to save a little bit of money and start off small, and the future is bright.
And so, what's been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
It's been great. It's been awesome. Really awesome. So
Yeah.
You've made a dream become a reality as painlessly and as effortlessly as possible. It's like Herman and I keep saying, it's a surreal experience. Like, we have to pinch ourselves. It was so easy. Is it really our lives? And a couple of months ago, it seemed unachievable. Yeah. And we've made no real changes in what we're doing. Yeah,
No,
so it's great.
And so, how does your financial future look now?
Exciting.
Because
Because it's opened up a lot of doors for us. We've got dreams of paying it forward, and Herman's got a passion and these things that are dreams are now achievable, you know, so with just making a few changes in our life, it's achievable. So we're able to retire comfortably and also pay it forward, you know, so it's great. It's a win-win. It's just, the future is exciting. It's exciting.
Definitely, it's exciting. It's like Annie
I get goosebumps. Like, I'm fired up. It's like
it's that reality of having a dream, but actually the dream being locked open, coming out of the box, and we can see
exactly
it's possible.
And with your guidance, like every step of the way, you explained it to us. You were so patient, and we asked maybe the same questions a few times, and you've always just been there. Call you. You know, your service is great. You've made us comfortable, very, very comfortable.
I'm glad. Oh, that's awesome. And so, would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Absolutely.
Definitely.
You have no idea how many times we have barbecues or dinners, and Herman's always talking about it.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah, no,
we're always talking about it. To anyone that will listen.
Anybody that's got the opportunity to actually go with Infinite Wealth and let their future become a reality of their dreams.
We prove that
it is there.
Yeah.
We
can't wait to start the process all over again.
That's perfect. So that was the first run. I don't even think we need to do a second one. That was awesome.
That's from our heart.
I appreciate that.
That's the honest truth.
No, she is above all one when it comes to these things.
Because when I feel passionate, you know, when I'm quiet, then you think, okay, you're losing her. But when I become
Good.
fired up.
That's
It's
awesome.
like, yeah.
No, I appreciate it, guys. Do you want to do another one? Like I said, that was
No,
great.
that
That's
yeah, no.
good. Yeah, yeah.
Except the one that I gave now is my sincere
Yeah,
one.
I
so
appreciate
so
that.
that is yeah.
I appreciate that.
So she don't give me a chance to speak properly. You know?
Because I'm excited. Like,
I love it. That's awesome.
Yeah.